Hi friends, this is Catherine, and today I am testing out two brand new products that I've recently purchased. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus and the Dezin Hot Pot. The Dezin Hot Pot has two temperatures, and as you see, I have it plugged into the Jackery Solar Generator. The two temperatures are 250 or 600. This is a low wattage um, hot pot that I selected to accompany the Jackery 2000 Plus in the event of a power outage. Recently, we experienced the tropical storm Hurricane Beryl in Houston, Texas, and it was an experience. I have never experienced anything like it. I am from the Midwest, so I can tell you that it was quite it was rough. And during that time, we had a power outage. Unfortunately, some people passed as a result, while other people, just like us, were miserable. So I promised myself and my son that from here on out, we were going to invest in a solar generator, which he prompted me to do because I had looked at them in the past, but I had never thought that I would own one. We were in complete darkness. It was 3-digit degree temperatures, which was in itself a feat. And we didn't have any lights in our entire neighborhood. So it got very dark. And so I promised myself that I would never go through that experience without having some type of power source, which includes fan, refrigeration, ability to cook, and do whatever is, a part of your normal day-to-day routine. But I would be smart about it. So here I have the Dezin hot pot plugged into the Jackery 2000 Plus solar generator to test the hot pot. So I'm just simply boiling water and I'm trying it on both temperatures to find out the wattage use and also to test the Jackery for the first time. And I highly recommend both. The Jackery also comes with two solar panels, which can power it up, or you can plug it into a AC outlet in your home. This is great for apartments because unlike other generators, it doesn't require to be outside. You can use this indoors. So the links are in the description below if you would like to purchase either. I will come back with a review of the Jackery 2000 Plus. Thank you for watching.